Looking to upgrade your toolbox or take your DIY projects to the next level? Then stick around, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you 5 of the best drill driver kits that have been turning heads lately, whether it's because of their power, smart features, or unbeatable value. So, if you're after more control, durability, or just a better overall experience, one of these might be your perfect match. Before we jump into the list, let's take a quick look at what makes a great drill driver, so you'll know exactly what to look for when comparing options. Power drill drivers have become a must-have for anyone who wants to build, fix, or create with confidence, whether you're hanging shelves or assembling furniture. Here are the key points to consider before choosing yours. Performance and torque to handle wood, metal, and more. Ease of use. Lightweight design matters for longer jobs. Speed and clutch settings for control and flexibility. Battery life and voltage, essential for convenience. Design and accessories, from LED lights to magnetic shafts. Price and value, excellent return for your investment. With those in mind, let's dive into the top 5. First up, FADAKWALT 12-volt cordless drill. Perfect for precision and light-duty tasks. Compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its size, this drill is great for everyday home projects. It features 21+1 torque settings, 180 inch-pounds of max torque, and comes with over 20 accessories, including a flexible shaft and various bits. Ideal for beginners, crafters, or anyone needing something easy to handle. Just keep in mind, it's not built for heavy-duty drilling. Next, DEWALT 20-volt max DCD 771C2, pro-level power in a compact frame. This one's a favorite among professionals and serious DIYers. With a 2-speed transmission, up to 1500 RPM and 300 unit watts out, this drill gets the job done fast and effectively. It also comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a handy storage bag. Great for intense tasks and long-term use. On the pricier side, but it's built to last. Moving on, AVID POWER 20-volt drill set. Smart features meet solid performance. What makes this model unique is the real-time battery indicator, a helpful feature for avoiding power surprises mid-task. With 15+1 clutch settings, 280 inch-pounds of torque, and an ergonomic grip, it balances comfort and capability. Perfect for DIYers and gift givers. But note, it only works with AVID Power batteries. Now, let's look at the DEKO Pro 20-volt cordless drill. Affordable and beginner-friendly. This is a great entry-level choice if you're just getting started with tools. It features dual speed modes, 18+1 torque options, and a 27-piece accessory set. A solid pick for basic home repairs and portability. Not as powerful as premium brands, but great for light work. And finally, BLACK+DECKER 20-volt MAX POWERCONNECT, the all-in-one value bundle. This one stands out with 100 accessories included, a soft grip handle, and a 24-position clutch for control. The battery holds charge up to 18 months, and it works with other tools in the POWERCONNECT system. Ideal for households needing versatility in one kit. A bit bulkier, but incredibly practical for the price. Let's quickly recap the highlights to help you make your decision. FADAKWALT, ideal for light tasks and everyday fixes. DEWALT, perfect if you need strong, professional-grade power. AVID POWER, great for smart, feature-rich performance. DEKO Pro, a budget option for beginners. BLACK+DECKER, best for those who want everything in one box. Before you pick your drill, stop and think, what will you really use it for? If you're doing occasional repairs or simple projects, you don't need to overpay. But if you're often tackling tougher jobs, investing in higher torque and longer battery life will save you time and frustration. Remember, the right power drill doesn't just get the job done, it makes your entire experience faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. You'll find the links to each product in the description below, along with a quick comparison table to help you decide. So, which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below and tell me which drill fits your style. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews, and share it with a friend who loves DIY. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.